Hello, good evening. This is baby Christine Ann S. Boot. This is my mother, Jimay Boot. Ann, say hi. Ooh. Hi, Ann.
Today is
September.
October
October
6.
6. Hi, Ann. Shy? Are you shy, Ann? Christian. Christine.
You like it?
Do not cry.
Oh, my baby on sleep, my darling Christine. Sleep, a kiss, Sarah, whatever will be. Nahila ka dyan.
Open mouth.
Oh, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Sige. Cry and cry. Sige, cry. Nalilikad ako na. Palibot. Ano, milk ko na siya.
Hindi na, stop na.
Max, ay, nandiyan pa.